Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're tackling a common frustration for many Android users, a slow, overheated, or battery-draining phone. We're about to introduce you to a game-changing app that will make your device feel faster, cooler, and more efficient, literally. We're talking about Shappky. So what exactly is Shappky? Well, Shappky, short for Shell App Killer, is an ingenious application designed to intelligently stop those pesky background applications that silently consume your phone's valuable resources. Think of it as a super smart task manager that works its magic using Shizuku permissions. Alright, let's get Shappky installed on your device. First things first, you need to download the official Shappky APK file. I've placed a direct link to the official and safe download source in the description below this video. After downloading Open File Manager and tap on the shappky.apk file. This will initiate the standard Android app installation process. Once the installation is complete, you'll have the option to tap Open directly from the installation screen, or you can simply find the Shappky icon in your app drawer and launch it from there. The first time you open Shappky, it will immediately prompt you to connect to Shizuku. This is essential for its functionality. Tap Allow or Connect to grant Shizuku the necessary permissions that allow Shappky to work its magic. And there you have it. Shappky is now successfully installed and fully ready to optimize your phone. You'll be greeted by its clean, intuitive interface. From here, you can easily start selecting specific apps you want to stop, tweak various settings, and truly take control of your device's performance and battery life. I sincerely hope this comprehensive guide helped you effortlessly install Shappky on your Android device. If you found this video valuable and your phone is now running smoother, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe for more essential tech tips and tutorials. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're always updated on our latest content. If you encountered any questions during the installation process, or if you have any tips of your own, please don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. I'll be in the comments section doing my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.